those of you that don't remember, last year I did a cocktail for the Preakness called the Black Eyed Susan. Well, there's a cocktail named for the Preakness. Welcome back. Today we're going to make the Preakness Cocktail. Now this is a variant on a Manhattan, which I did a long time ago. This drink comes from Alan Katz, who is a bartender, spirits expert, and also the founder of the New York Distilling Company. And apparently he was also a, I guess a talk artist on SiriusXM for a Martha Stewart channel. Never had it. Sounds pretty cool to me. So for the Preakness, let's make a Preakness. This is a stirred cocktail. So you're going to want to grab yourself a mixing glass. Of course, grab your ice. How much ice? Your choice. And to this, I'm going to need Benedictine Liqueur, which if you remember my Vieux Carré and my Monte Carlo episodes, is a herbal liqueur. So I need a 1/4 ounce of Benedictine Liqueur. Now the rest is your standard Manhattan spec, Martini spec. 1 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. I'm using Martini and Rossi. Pick your poison. Don't matter to me. And now I need Rye Whiskey. You can use any rye that you want. I'm just using Rittenhouse because it's a good de facto strong rye. So I need 2 ounces of rye. Pour a spoon down. Give it a stir. And actually, I did mess up. I forgot one thing. Dash of Angostura Bitters. This dash dirt will thin it out a little bit, so I'm going to go 2 dashes of it. Now, give it a stir. Outstanding. Grab yourself a Nick and Nora. Julep strainer. Down. And pour. And now for garnish, I need a lemon twist. We twist and down. And this is a Preakness. Cheers. The herbaceousness of the Sweet Vermouth plus the Benedictine complements each other. The rye, you know, it's like you get the rye spices, you get the like baking spice. Exactly the flavors on that I can't entirely put out, but no, it's a nice cocktail, you know. No, this is nice. I have to say, this is a nice cocktail. Must admit, impressive. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. When using the barware I use on my show, check the links down below. They're Amazon affiliate links, which means you know how it goes. Click the link, make a purchase, I receive kickback, thanks in advance. Find my socials down below in the description. Until next time, thank you for watching. I'll be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.